How to cancel order in GrabFood. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel order in GrabFood. To cancel an order in GrabFood, first of all open your Grab application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom, you'll be able to see different icons. Tap on this activity icon at the bottom left, and this will take you to the activity page where you'll be able to see your order. Here, you will need to select the order that you would like to cancel, and once you reach inside it, here you will be able to see all the details. Tap on the Get Help option at the top right, and once you select it, in this page, here you will be able to see Cancel Order option. But if you didn't see the option, you can simply tap on Contact Grab Support at the very bottom, and then you will be taken to the help center. In this chat page, here you will need to send I want to cancel my order. After that, you will need to follow the prompts as shown on your screen. Tap on this I want to cancel my order, and here it says that you will need to select this Learn More About Cancellation Policy option. Here it says that if your order is eligible for cancellation at the point, you will be able to see the cancel order. But if you didn't see the cancel order, that means your order is not eligible for cancellation. For that, you will need to wait for a while until you be notified about the reason and when you can cancel the order. When you scroll a bit down, there you will find other cases in which you will be able to cancel your order. If the restaurant is preparing your order but the driver hasn't found, then you will be able to cancel the order. So by following these steps, you should be able to cancel an order in GrabFood. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.